Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified first for all my new videos. Hey my foodies, today I'm gonna show you another very easy and delicious Indo-Chinese rice preparation, that is vegetarian fried rice. This rice preparation doesn't need much time and ingredients if you have all the ingredients prepped up, and it comes out to be really flavorful, filling and satisfying. So without any further delay, come quickly run through the ingredients. Here I've got this long grain rice, that is Basmati rice, which I've boiled with some salt and 2 teaspoons of oil. Do not boil the rice completely. Cook it when it's almost done but still undercooked, like 90% cooked, so that it remains separated and doesn't break apart and becomes mushy while sauteing. Next, heat oil in a wok over high flame. Once heated, add in the finely chopped ginger and the finely chopped garlic to it and fry these for a while. Next to this, I am going to add in some beans first, as these take more time to cook as compared to any other vegetables. So let it cook just for a minute or two, and then we'll be adding the rest of the vegetables. So now the beans are slightly tender. In goes some onions. So here I'm using some spring onions. You can also use the regular onions here. Fry these just for a while, followed by some carrots and the capsicum, and again fry for some more time on high flame, as Chinese cooking is done on high flame, and do not overcook the vegetables. Let it retain its crunch. Here goes in some salt and the black pepper. You can also use white pepper here. Next goes in some soy sauce and the vinegar, and mix them well. If you want, you can also add some red chili sauce here. So now goes in our cooked rice. So you can see the rice is underdone here, and now we'll be cooking it fully along with the vegetables. I'm also adding some spring onion greens here. So keep tossing the rice along with the vegetables and toss it well for a while until the rice is fully cooked along with the flavors of the vegetables and sauces. So keep cooking it just for a while until it's nicely coated with the base, taking care not to overmix it and break the rice grains. So keep mixing it and tossing it as required along with the vegetables. So it's done enough now. It looks so tempting with so many colorful vegetables in it. Serve it hot with some more spring onion greens on top, and it goes very well with some Manchurian gravy or chicken chili on the side, for which you can refer to my other videos. The link will be mentioned in the description box below. So I hope you enjoyed watching this very simple and flavorful veg fried rice today. And if yes, then do like the video, share the video with all your friends who like Chinese, and subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking!